How to double tap to turn on and off screen on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to double tap to turn on and off screen in very simple steps. So first things first, open up your settings and then scroll down and you'll find advanced features. Go ahead and tap on it. Then scroll down. There you'll find motions and gestures. Go ahead and tap on it. And then there is option double tap to turn on screen. Go ahead and toggle it on. And then double tap to turn off screen. Toggle it on too. And that's it. Now your double tap has been turned on. Now you can easily use it to turn on and off screen on Android. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.